Hi, I'm interior designer Christopher Kennedy. We're here at my studio in Palm Springs, California, where today I'm working on a cool project that's a renovation for a day spa and wellness center. I really had to come up with a design that felt nurturing, very clean, organic, and had a mix of materials. My client brought this inspiration photo of this very cool house. What he likes about it is the metal, the wood, the stone. I looked at a lot of different options to bring the idea of wood into the house. I found some wallpapers that looked like wood, but they were surprisingly expensive. Then I found the perfect solution in a product called NaturaPlank. NaturaPlank is sustainably forested, real hardwood from Canada, and has highly carbonized properties. Being carbonized means that it actually has properties that help purify the air, which is perfect for this spa and wellness center. I've narrowed the 6 color palettes down to 2 final choices, the mixed browns and a solid gray. The 3M backing makes it super easy to install, and it's durable over time. The wood is also stabilized so that it won't warp, cup, or bend, very important in the dry desert climate of Palm Springs. Easy to cut and customize, a focal point wall can be installed in about an afternoon.
Oh my God, it looks completely
Right, so what do you think about the wall?
I love the wall. And I was hesitant about the wall, and now I'm like, now it looks actually, I love it.
I remember how we were agonizing over whether to do the browns or the grays.
Right.
So I actually, I'm a Gemini, I can't decide, it's always both and. So I mixed in some of the gray in with the brown. I customized the NaturaPlank to really bring out the mural, which I know is like one of your favorite things too.
I didn't want the wall to take from the mural, and it didn't. It looks great.
It enhances it, doesn't it?
It does.
You wanted the Zen rock garden. How cool is that? You'll have hours playing with that. But I want to show you your treatment room. Welcome to the new groom at Wellness Oasis. We have more of the NaturaPlank on that wall over there, installed vertically. Such a great installation. It highlights the fountain that you'd already had.
Oh, wow.
And then Keith planted it for you.
Thanks.
What do you think about that NaturaPlank wall?
I love it. I love this.
I know, the NaturaPlank is so cool. Go touch it. So it's real wood. It's sustainably harvested Canadian hardwood, and one of the coolest parts about it is that it's carbonized. So actually, it's stable, so it won't warp or cup. And what being carbonized means is that it actually helps purify the air. So at this wellness oasis, that actually has spa-like benefits. It looks beautiful, but it also is helping to freshen the air, which is pretty darn cool.
Yeah, I love this.
Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Christopher Kennedy. You can follow me on Instagram at Christopher Kennedy Inc. To learn more about NaturaPlank, visit livingdecor.com.